So they were changing the rear struts on this 2006 Subaru Impreza Outback Sport. It says it right there. Outback Sport. Usually on small cars, to get the strut out, you have to take the back seat out, which under this cap. There's a bolt, there's one on each side. That takes the bottom seat out, and then just bolts down there to take the top portion out. But because this is a wagon, if you look in the back, past all the junk, this right here is the shock tower, or strut tower. Under this cap, there's a piece of foam. Under that foam, there's the strut top, so we don't have to take the seat out. Jack up the gear, remove the wheel, and make sure you use jack stands. So I gotta take this brake cable off. That clip should just pop out. Use a screwdriver and a hammer to tap it out. Breaker bar is in order here to get a little bit of leverage. Putting pressure on the back of the bolt helps it come out. Be careful not to damage the threads. I used the handle of a screwdriver, one of them nice Harbor Freight screwdrivers. Remove 3 12mm nuts on top of the strut. Out it comes. So these struts have a left and a right, as you can tell by the way the brake line holder is, and by the slant of the mounts. If you wanted to save some money, you could get some spring compressors on here, take this nut out, and replace everything. But they recommend to replace the mount and the bellow too, so by the time you buy all that stuff and with the labor, you're almost to the cost of a complete strut. If you got about 2 hours to kill, an hour each strut, just get the strut and replace everything. But time is money. I'd rather get this and get everything new. Link in the description below. Stick the strut up through these holes here, and hopefully have it lined up where it clips on here, and easy peasy lemon squeezy. A little leverage to help things might be in order here. Torque spec is 70 pounds. Don't forget to secure that brake line. So with all three of them through, this cap has the word, you see it's rusty, says the word out on it. Okay, torque on these are 25 pounds. I'm just going to put them on there about as tight as they were, because I don't have a tiny torque wrench. Alright, put the foam down, and this cap only goes on there one way. All four of these tabs line up. Ta-da, looks like it grew there. There's a trick I didn't learn until I was done. If you slide the seat back, you can get to that. These little Subaru wheels are very light compared to the Jeep wheels. I like to torque my lug nuts to about 90 pounds. Results may vary.